Hello everybody, welcome back to Channel Wood Arena. A wood chipper is a powerful machine designed to break down large pieces of wood into smaller chips. This machine uses a heavy-duty clamp to securely hold large logs or branches, ensuring they stay in place while being processed. Once the wood is clamped, the chipper's internal mechanism, usually composed of rotating blades or hammers, shreds the material with impressive speed and force. When the wood is fed into the chipper, the blades slice and grind it into small manageable pieces that are then ejected through a chute. This process is highly efficient, making it possible to quickly clear large volumes of wood. Industrial wood chippers are built to handle significant workloads, turning even the toughest wood into chips within seconds. These chips can then be used for various purposes, such as landscaping mulch, compost material, or biofuel. Watching a high-performance wood chipper in action is a display of both raw power and precision engineering, as it transforms logs into fine chips with remarkable efficiency. A wood chipper like the Komptech Axtor 8012 is a powerful machine designed for chipping large volumes of wood efficiently, often used in forestry and large-scale landscaping. This model is particularly effective due to its robust design and capacity to handle a variety of wood materials, from thick logs to brush. The core of the Axtor 8012's operation centers on its large chipping drum, equipped with sharp rotating blades that slice through wood with remarkable precision. Logs are fed into the machine through an intake hopper, where they come into contact with the chipper's rotating drum. The blades, moving at high speed, chip away at the wood, reducing it to small, manageable pieces. The size of these wood chips can be adjusted depending on the desired outcome, making it suitable for uses such as biomass production, mulch, or landscape material. In this setup, the clamp or hydraulic grapple is an essential attachment mounted on the large chipper. The clamp plays a critical role in stabilizing and securely feeding the logs into the chipping drum. This stability is crucial, especially when handling hefty logs, as it prevents movement during the chipping process, which could otherwise pose a hazard or lead to inefficient chipping. Additionally, the Komptech Axtor 8012 is built with a sturdy kingpin connection, allowing it to handle the intense vibrations and torque generated during chipping. This design feature not only enhances the machine's durability, but also allows it to tackle heavy-duty wood chipping tasks with ease. With its combination of power, precision, and safety features, the Komptech Axtor 8012 is a high-performance machine well suited for commercial wood chipping needs. A wood chipper works by breaking down large pieces of wood into smaller manageable chips, which are often used for mulching, biomass fuel, or composting. In large-scale applications such as logging, a powerful machine like the Komptech Chippo 8010C is designed to handle hefty logs with efficiency and precision. The Komptech Chippo 8010C is a high-capacity chipper, often mounted on a truck, enabling it to be transported easily to logging or clearing sites. To ensure safe and effective operation, a sturdy clamp is mounted on the chipper. This clamp serves a crucial role in stabilizing the logs as they are fed into the machine, preventing them from moving or twisting, which could disrupt the chipping process and cause safety issues. Once secured, the logs are guided into the chipper's cutting chamber, where a powerful drum or disc equipped with sharp rotating blades slices them into chips. The blades rotate at high speeds, allowing them to chip even the thickest logs with minimal resistance. As the wood is chipped, it is ejected through a chute, where it can be collected for various uses or directly loaded into a trailer for transport. The Komptech Chippo 8010C is engineered to deliver consistent, high-quality wood chips and offers adjustable settings to control the chip size, meeting different requirements for forestry, biomass, and landscaping applications. This robust and versatile machine exemplifies efficiency, with a focus on safety and productivity in large-scale wood chipping operations. The HG6800TX horizontal grinder is a powerhouse in the land clearing industry, known for its incredible speed and power when handling large volumes of wood and debris. Designed specifically for the challenges of large-scale land clearing, the HG6800TX combines heavy-duty capabilities with cutting-edge technology to offer unmatched efficiency. Whether dealing with thick branches, logs, or green waste, this machine grinds through even the toughest materials with ease, making it an ideal choice for operators in forestry, construction, and landscaping sectors. The standout feature of the HG6800TX is its 950 horsepower engine, which provides ample power for high-demand grinding operations. This machine is engineered to work continuously under extreme conditions, handling materials up to 50 inches in diameter and delivering consistent performance. Its horizontal grinding design increases throughput, allowing for a continuous feed of material without jamming. The efficient design also minimizes the need for multiple passes, saving both time and fuel costs, key benefits for operators managing vast areas of land. In addition to its raw power, the HG6800TX offers a unique feed system that includes a dual in-feed conveyor belt. This system ensures that even the most challenging materials are fed smoothly into the grinder, preventing delays or blockages. Additionally, an intelligent control system monitors and adjusts the grinding speed and feed rate automatically, optimizing the performance for each load. This automated efficiency not only increases productivity, but also enhances the machine's lifespan by reducing wear and tear on critical components. The HG6800TX also prioritizes safety and ease of use. Operators can control the machine via a remote, providing flexibility and reducing the need to be physically near the machine during operation. Safety sensors and emergency shutdown features provide additional layers of protection, ensuring that operators can handle tough jobs with minimal risk. for anyone in need of a robust, high-speed solution for land clearing. The HG6800TX horizontal grinder is a top-tier choice. Its combination of power, durability, and intelligent design makes it an indispensable tool for large-scale projects, reducing both the time and effort required to turn acres of thick vegetation into manageable mulch. With the HG6800TX, massive land clearing tasks are transformed from daunting to doable, offering exceptional results every time.